Hello smart shoppers. Welcome back to Smart Shopper, your ultimate destination for intelligent buying decisions. Today, we're delving into the world of caffeinated perfection with our top 10 coffee machines for 2023. From sleek espresso makers to versatile drip machines, we've curated the best in the market to cater to every coffee enthusiast's taste. Don't forget, you can find all the links to these fantastic coffee machines in the description below for quick and easy purchasing. If you enjoy our recommendations, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your fellow smart shoppers, and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Let's brew up a storm. Happy shopping! Number 1. DeLonghi Magnifica Coffee Machine. Indulge in the luxury of barista quality coffee at home with the DeLonghi Magnifica SE Cam 22.110.B coffee maker. This automatic espresso machine, in sleek black, boasts a built-in milk frother for velvety lattes and cappuccinos. The 1,450 watts power ensures a quick and efficient brewing process. Navigate effortlessly through the soft touch control panel, where customization meets simplicity. With the capability to create 2 hot coffee drinks recipes, this machine caters to your every coffee craving. Elevate your coffee experience with the DeLonghi Magnifica SE Cam 22.110.B, where convenience and sophistication converge for a delightful brewing adventure. Number 2. Philips Automatic Coffee Machine. Experience the epitome of coffee craftsmanship with the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine. This sleek black marvel features the advanced Latte Go milk frother, ensuring silky froth for your lattes and cappuccinos. Indulge in a range of 5 coffee varieties, all easily navigated through the intuitive touch display. The EP 3241-54 model delivers convenience and customization in every cup, while the fully automatic system guarantees a hassle-free brewing experience. Elevate your coffee rituals with Philips precision and innovation, where the perfect cup is just a touch away. Welcome the future of coffee into your home with the 3200 series espresso machine, blending technology and taste seamlessly. Number 3. Breville Barista Espresso Machine. Unleash the barista within with the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine, a brushed stainless steel powerhouse designed for coffee aficionados. The BESS 870XL model delivers a large dose of convenience and precision with its built-in conical burr grinder, allowing you to grind fresh beans for every cup. The intuitive grind size and dose control options, combined with a digital temperature control system, ensure optimal extraction. With a 2-liter water tank and a range of customizable settings, this espresso machine offers a seamless and personalized brewing experience. Elevate your home coffee setup with the Breville Barista Express, where sophistication meets simplicity for the perfect espresso, every time. Number 4. Philips Fully Automatic Coffee Machine. Introducing the Philips 4300 series fully automatic espresso machine, a pinnacle of coffee innovation. In elegant black, the EP 4347-94 model boasts the advanced Latte Go milk frother for indulgent lattes and cappuccinos. Explore a repertoire of 8 coffee varieties with ease using the intuitive touch display. This espresso machine combines versatility and simplicity, allowing you to tailor your coffee experience to perfection. With fully automatic features, including a built-in grinder and customizable settings, it guarantees a hassle-free brewing process. Elevate your mornings with the Philips 4300 series, where cutting-edge technology and exquisite taste converge for a coffee experience like no other. Number 5. Mr.Coffee Machine Programmable. Indulge in cafe-quality beverages at home with the Mr.Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine. This programmable coffee maker, adorned in stainless steel silver, features an automatic milk frother and a powerful 15-bar pump for authentic espresso and rich cappuccinos. The user-friendly controls make crafting your favorite drinks a breeze, while the programmable settings ensure a customized brewing experience. Elevate your mornings with the convenience of this stylish and efficient machine that brings the allure of a coffeehouse to your kitchen. Experience the perfect blend of technology and taste with Mr. Coffee, your gateway to barista quality coffee in the comfort of your home. Number 6. Mcilpoog Coffee Machine with Touchscreen. Introducing the Mcilpoog WS203 Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine, where innovation meets indulgence. This sleek marvel boasts a smart touch screen, bringing simplicity and sophistication to your coffee brewing experience. With the ability to craft 16 different coffee drinks at the touch of a button, this super automatic machine caters to every coffee lover's palate. The advanced features include customizable settings for strength, temperature, and more, ensuring your perfect cup every time. Elevate your home coffee ritual with Mcilpoog's cutting-edge technology, providing the convenience of a coffeehouse in the comfort of your kitchen. Experience the future of coffee brewing with the WS203, where each cup is a masterpiece. Number 7. Zule Magia Automatic Coffee Machine. Introducing the Mcilpoog WS203 Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine, where innovation meets indulgence. This sleek marvel boasts a smart touch screen, bringing simplicity and sophistication to your coffee brewing experience. With the ability to craft 16 different coffee drinks at the touch of a button, this super automatic machine caters to every coffee lover's palate. The advanced features include customizable settings for strength, temperature, and more, ensuring your perfect cup every time. Elevate your home coffee ritual with Mcilpoog's cutting-edge technology, providing the convenience of a coffeehouse in the comfort of your kitchen. Experience the future of coffee brewing with the WS203, where each cup is a masterpiece. Number 8. JASSY Coffee Machine. Elevate your home brewing experience with the JASSY Espresso Machine, a 20-bar professional cappuccino maker designed for perfection. With compatibility for NS original capsules and a powerful 1450 watts, this machine guarantees barista quality coffee in the comfort of your home. The included milk frother adds a luxurious touch, creating velvety lattes and cappuccinos with ease. The sleek design and user-friendly features make this espresso machine a stylish addition to any kitchen. Indulge in the rich flavors and aromas of expertly crafted coffee right at your fingertips. Unleash the barista in you with JASSY, where innovation and convenience blend seamlessly for an unparalleled coffee experience. Number 9. Homtone Coffee Machine Touchscreen. Discover the art of coffee craftsmanship with the Homtone Espresso Machine, a 20-bar stainless steel marvel designed for the perfect brew at home. With a built-in milk frother, this machine elevates your coffee experience, allowing you to indulge in creamy cappuccinos and lattes with ease. The intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies the brewing process, ensuring convenience and precision in every cup. Crafted with style and functionality, the stainless steel design adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Elevate your mornings with the Homtone Espresso Machine, where the perfect cup of coffee is just a touch away. Bring the charm of a coffeehouse into your home with this stylish and efficient espresso maker. Number 10. Nespresso VertuoPlus Coffee Machine. Experience coffee excellence with the Nespresso VertuoPlus Deluxe Coffee and Espresso Machine by Breville in elegant black. This sleek and compact machine offers versatility with its ability to brew both coffee and espresso, catering to your every caffeine desire. The accompanying milk frother adds a luxurious touch, transforming your beverages into creamy delights. The innovative centrifusion technology ensures a rich and indulgent crema in every cup. With an 8-ounce capacity, this machine is perfect for those who appreciate variety without compromising on taste. Elevate your coffee routine with the convenience and sophistication of the VertuoPlus Deluxe, where Breville's expertise meets Nespresso's precision for a brewing experience like no other. Thank you so much for watching our video. We appreciate your time and support. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Your likes, comments, and shares mean the world to us and help our channel grow. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks again for being a part of our Smart Shopper community. Until next time, take care,